On this episode of Design Features You Should Consider in Your Next New Home Build, today we are looking at the Vero. These two entrances into the laundry room allow seamless flow from your primary bathroom and the hallway, so all people have access. Consider separating your toilet and your shower from your sink vanities. This maximizes the use of this space, but still prioritizes privacy, allowing someone to be showering while also getting ready at the vanity. You should always design your living room with your television in mind. In this space, we planned for a TV to potentially go between these two windows or over here over the fireplace mantle. If you put the television between these two windows, you will reduce the potential for glare and have a view of the porch from the couch. If you prefer to hang the TV over the fireplace, you have a little less control over how high the TV is installed on the wall, but the TV also becomes a focal point to the room. Consider vaulted ceilings. This vaulted front porch ceiling accentuates the height of the front door and gives a grand entry experience. We carry this experience through to the living room, creating an atrium-like feel where there would otherwise be empty space underneath the roof. Save money on tile by using simple 3x6 white rectangles and just lay them in more fun patterns. Maximize storage by lengthening your island and putting cabinetry underneath the overhang. This creates a more finished look and makes use of some unused space. I'm Bridget with Keel Custom Homes. Visit our website for more information on your next new home build.